1 year after the disappearance of his mother, Adam Up discovers an unusual calculator in her office. When he presses the buttons, 4 bearded heads pop out. They are the Number Crunchers. They reveal that Adam's mother had jumped through a magic portal to the mysterious land of problems in search of the golden ratio. Adam and his best friend Millimeter soon take off through the portal in search of his mother. As they encounter problem after problem, they call upon the Number Crunchers, who help them in one way and in one way only, through the power of song.
EVEN, evens end in 24680. The numbers in my 2 times table. 100 centimeters in the meter. 3 sides equal on an equilateral. Move each place to the left when you multiply by 10. When you multiply by 100, move each place again. 1,000 broken down into 10. Each part is 100. 100 broken down into 10. Each part is 10. 10.